one for MySpace. Because Amanda Newell is dying. Is dying inside.
You're not even on the page.
Oh. She's dying inside and she's cantankerous. Look at her, she's cantankerous.
What does that mean?
I don't know, but I like the word.
We're supposed to party tonight, but that's obviously not going to happen.
So we're going to go, okay, if some
bitches don't answer their phone.
If nobody calls me, we're going to go fuck with people. So you better hope that it's not you.
If your house gets egged tonight,
don't give away.
Find some lettuce.
Then you'll know it was us.
No, it was me.
Dude, we should go egg Joe.
Where does he live?
I don't know. I don't stalk our manager. We should, though.
I bet he's working.
Ooh. Let's run into Ruby's, throw an egg, and then run out.
I like the cantankerous face.
It's cantankerous.
I need home.
Amanda, but if we do it to Joe, he's gonna know. He's gonna know!